Hi, this is how we transformed our kitchen from this to this. First, we had to take this chimney out. It was quite a process. Robbie literally knocked it out brick by brick. I hauled the bricks out to the yard, and we had a big hole that we had to patch, and he had to match the hole in the floor with the old wood. But voila, he did it. Then we painted from gray to white. A nice white base, and my 4-year-old was able to help. And then we had this stencil that I bought for $40. As you could see, the wallpaper in the back, the swatch there was what we wanted, but it was about $400. So we got this stencil and pretty much used it as a template for the oranges. We originally were gonna draw the leaves, paint the leaves there, but we decided freehand painting the leaves would be a little more whimsical and prettier. So we just used the oranges for the spacing, and then Robbie added the leaves by hand. And it looks really cute and kitschy and 50s, and really transformed the kitchen from sort of cold and dated to this 50s delight.